then we put into place control measures.
Omuchando w'umurakera ni gororokanire koenekiwa ase chinsemo au ase orogonko rwa Afrika awase byombe au byabere biwesokia na kuboria serikali chonsi korwa sorogongo ruga kubeka emeroberio yo koenekia buna engane yaberege kurigereriwa na boigo gukorwa anene ase okurigereria ogochenjia kwerire na boigo okungusana na egatie chinsemo au eriokeya omuchando bwokuborwa endagera gosomuchando bwenchara ase abananchi.
The number of children dropping out of school is rising, with reports of girls being married off by their struggling families surfacing in all the affected countries. Child, early and forced marriages are being used as a negative coping mechanism to lessen demands on family resources and potentially get money that they can use to buy food and other necessities.
We need to put in place various mechanisms. We need to put in place early warning systems where communities then are able to identify drought as it comes at the onset of drought, and then be able to put in place then resilience mechanisms to support these communities to be resilient, for them to withstand the shocks of the climate crisis.
Must move from rhetoric to demonstrable actions by ensuring the target of 50-50 split between mitigation and adaptation finance is not only met but surpassed in favor of adaptation.
Obogachi we nyomba ye chikoro baisa